Hey guys, looks like the Philippine volcano gets worse. Lava is gushing out and it spreads to Manila, and you can see the lava coming out there. It spreads out. Plus, also they've got many earthquakes happening, and the international airport there has been shut down due to the ashes and threats of flights. And there's 8,000 villagers that are moved, at least 38 evacuation centers and so far. So it's getting pretty heavy on there. So here's more information regarding that. So earthquakes, lava, and so forth in the Philippines.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.